So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Suno AI and to make a full song using it. So to do this is pretty simple. So here you just go to suno.com, create your free account, and then from there you just want to do create. From create here you want to do your song description. So let's say I want a hip hop mellow beat with lyrics about the heat and how to beat it. So you can do custom mode right here. So basically custom mode does is just choose the style of music that you want to set the vibe, and you can extend your song and you can do your own lyrics. So you can unleash your creativity using your custom mode. So you can enter your own lyrics right here. So you can of course accept the terms and services, and you can make random lyrics right here. So it will generate for you using AI. So here the style of music you can also use. So let's do mellow beat. So there you go. And then let's do the title Midnight Stroll, and we can create it from there. So basically it will generate it for you and you made your own song from scratch in just a matter of seconds and with not in minutes already. So there you go guys. That is how you do it. So let's just wait for this to actually just load up so that we can listen to it. So here we go. Let's listen to it. So basically, there you go. And I'm really liking this, guys. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.